Hey y'all. This week we were given the opportunity to write our favorite type of speech. So for me, I think it was actually the introductions, funny enough. So I think it was 3 or 4 weeks ago, maybe a little longer, we were given the opportunity to, or well, not, we were given the assignment to write an introduction. I wrote one for Ryan Reynolds and I did one for my best friend, and it was actually really fun. I just think it's cool imagining introducing someone that you either look up to, inspire to be, or you just care about, and making up clever little phrases, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm going to do one more time. So to get started, hey everyone, I was blessed today with the opportunity to introduce one of the most influential men in history. He is the reason the Americas are organized. Today he will be receiving his Congressional Gold Medal. Now, this man led an army and was the sole reason they survived one of the harshest winters we've ever faced. He was an ex-surveyor, a survivor of smallpox, and most notably, the first president of the Americas. Let's give a hand for the man in blue, the hero looking out for you, George Washington. You don't have to clap, but I'd like it. I know that was rather short, but I believe that introductions are supposed to be. Now, I don't see many introductions, whether it's the Teen Choice Awards or the Grammys, doing, 6 minute long introductions. I don't feel like that's what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be short, sweet. Maybe you give a few facts about the person and you make a couple jokes and then you introduce them. And I don't know, it's short and sweet, and maybe that's why it's my favorite. But anyway, thank you all for watching and taking the time out of your day. And I think the next speech I'll be doing is going to be my second to last, so I'll see you all again soon. Bye bye.